Comprehensive automatic egg incubators comparison. Egg incubators are essential tools for hobbyists, small-scale farmers, and educators looking to hatch poultry eggs efficiently and reliably. These devices simulate the natural conditions required for embryonic development, offering precise control over temperature, humidity, and egg rotation. In this review, we analyzed 5 automatic egg incubators, ranging from budget-friendly to premium models. Our evaluation focused on build quality.
List none. The Abd Hatchpro 12 is a feature-rich incubator designed for precision and ease of use. It boasts a 360-degree transparent observation window, an advanced airflow system for uniform temperature distribution, and a dual external water bottle system for consistent humidity control. With its automatic egg turning mechanism and digital temperature control, this model is ideal for users seeking a hands-free incubation experience. Its detachable design makes cleaning straightforward, and the included 3-year warranty adds peace of mind. In performance tests, the Abd Hatchpro 12 maintains stable temperature and humidity levels, crucial for high hatch rates. The automatic egg turner works seamlessly, mimicking natural conditions and reducing the risk of embryo adhesion. Its educational appeal is undeniable, thanks to the clear observation window. However, the unit's reliance on external water bottles may require careful placement to avoid accidental spills. Overall, this is a strong mid-range option for hobbyists and small-scale breeders.
List number.
The Okobe M12 is a budget-friendly incubator that offers surprising versatility for its price.
It supports 12 to 24 eggs depending on size and features a transparent 360-degree lid for easy monitoring.
The device includes automatic egg turning and a side-mounted water bottle for humidity control. While it lacks some advanced features seen in premium models, the Okobe M12 is a solid choice for beginners or those on a tight budget. During testing, the Okobe M12 performed adequately, maintaining consistent temperatures and providing a user-friendly experience. The automatic egg turner worked as expected, though the lack of advanced humidity management options might limit hatch rates in challenging conditions. The compact design and easy cleaning process make it suitable for casual users, but serious breeders may find the feature set limiting. Lift 3. The Bezley 2025 is an excellent mid-range incubator with a focus on convenience and reliability. Its 360-degree Smart View observation dome allows users to monitor the hatching process without disturbing the eggs. The dual-channel humidity control system, paired with external reservoirs, minimizes maintenance. The modular design ensures easy cleaning, and the automatic egg turner operates 6 times daily to optimize embryo development. Performance-wise, the Bezley 2025 impressed with its consistent temperature and humidity levels, contributing to high hatch rates. The egg turning mechanism was smooth and reliable, and the clear dome provided an engaging educational experience. However, the smaller 12-egg capacity may not meet the needs of larger-scale users. This model is ideal for families, classrooms, or small-scale hobbyists.
List number.
The Silven Spark Kitchen M12H balances affordability and functionality, offering precise temperature and humidity management for up to 12 eggs. Its 360-degree airflow circulation system ensures uniform conditions, while the integrated LED candler allows for non-invasive embryo monitoring. The device also features a child-safe locking lid and dishwasher-safe trays, making it a practical choice for families. In testing, the Silven Spark Kitchen M12H demonstrated stable performance, particularly in maintaining optimal conditions for hatching. The automatic egg turning mechanism and humidity management system worked reliably, though the smaller water tanks required more frequent refills than some competitors. This model is a great option for budget-conscious users seeking professional-grade features.
List 5.
The Pusca 18-egg incubator is a premium model designed for serious breeders and educators. It accommodates up to 18 eggs and features a multifunctional display
for real-time monitoring of temperature, humidity, and other environmental conditions. The automatic egg-turning system and dual water bottles ensure optimal conditions throughout the incubation process. This incubator excelled in performance tests, maintaining precise control over all critical parameters. The user-friendly interface and detailed manual make it accessible even for beginners, while the robust build quality ensures durability. The higher price point is justified by its advanced features and high hatch success rate.